Thank you for viewing this instructional video by Steelcase Education Solutions. This is the second of 4 video tutorials that reviews the tools of the new Eno icon strip. This second of 4 video tutorials focuses on the drawing tools. In this video tutorial, we will discuss how to quickly access a pen tool, highlighter tool, eraser tools, and colors, as well as pen style and thickness. Here is a visual of the tools that were discussed in part 1 of this series. These are the tools that we will discuss in this video tutorial. The first one that you see here looks like a pen. Anytime you are using your Eno board interactively and wish to add virtual ink on top of any documents or websites that you may be displaying on your Eno board, in order to write those notes, all you need to do is simply tap the pen tool. When you tap the pen tool, you'll hear the chime, alerting you that you are in a pen tool, and you will also see a visual on the bottom right-hand corner of your Eno board that shows you that you are writing on top of whatever is currently displayed on your computer. I will add some notes here. As you can see, I am writing directly on top of this presentation. I have quickly selected to write in a pen tool, and if I now wish to switch to a highlighter tool, I can select the next tool. The one that looks like a highlighter that says ABC, if I select this tool now, that automatically now places me into a highlighter tool. As you can see here, highlighters are transparent. You are able to emphasize keywords or information. You can emphasize any phrases that you see on the board or vocabulary words and still be able to see that text through the highlight. In order to remove any pen or highlighting annotations from your screen, you can select the eraser tool. If I click on the eraser tool, you'll notice that I can now move through any of my handwriting or highlighting to remove that information. The next part of these tools that you will see are the different colors. Now you notice the black, blue, red, green, yellow, and orange tools are available for you to quickly choose the color that you wish to write with. So I will demonstrate each of those so you can see those colors. So I will start with black, blue, red, green, yellow, and orange. If I wish to write in a color besides any of these basic primary colors, I can select the painter's palette. When you click on the painter's palette, you'll see that you have a wide spectrum of colors to choose from. Simply make a color selection of any choice and say OK, and then you are now able to write in that color. The next tools that we will discuss are a bit smaller on the icon strip. You will see these wavy lines here, and these wavy lines control the style of pen that you are writing with. At the top, I can select to write in a smooth pen tool. On the bottom left, you see here, I can select to write in a dashed pen tool. When you write in a dashed pen tool, your line will appear to look smooth until you lift the pen from your Eno board. The next option is writing with a dotted pen tool. If I select a dotted pen tool, again, it's going to look smooth until I lift, and that's when I would see those dotted lines. You always have the option to choose the thickness of pen or highlighter or eraser that you wish to use. I will quickly demonstrate how to select the thickness of your pen. So for this demonstration, I will select a blue smooth pen tool, and then I'm going to demonstrate each of these 3 thickness options at the bottom of the drawing tools. This is an example of a very narrow pen tool which is wonderful for writing in small spaces or filling in worksheets and things like that. Next is a medium thickness pen that most teachers find that they use the most. This is just a wonderful visual. Students in the back of the room can see this thickness very, very easily, and it's very easy to read, and many teachers are happy with this one. And then your third option is the thickest choice. This is wonderful if you want to place a main idea in the center of your page and have that much larger, or if you want to emphasize key information on a page. It's wonderful to use the thick pen tool. So as you can see, we have discussed the pen, highlighter, and eraser options, a wide spectrum of colors, as well as style. So remember, you have that smooth, dotted, or dashed pen tools to choose from, in addition to the thickness. This video reviewed the tools of the new Eno icon strip and really focused on the drawing tools. So we discussed how to quickly access pens, highlighters, erasers. We also talked about how to access the quick change colors from the icon strip, as well as going into that painter's palette when you want to have more creative colors for annotating on top of your documents and websites and blank pages. Be sure to now go to your Eno board, test out using your smooth, dotted, and dashed pen tools, and make sure that you also practice with the different thickness of pen tools that are available for you. I hope that you will continue on watching part 3 of this series, as well as part 4 of this series on the new Eno icon strip. All of these video tutorials can be found on our Ning site. And if you have any questions at all, please reach out to us through the Ning site, or you can respond to us at the email listed here below. Thank you so much.